Malnutrition plagues a large part of the population of India, particularly children and women. Deficiencies in vital minerals and vitamins pose a risk to their health. To address the issue of malnutrition and provide healthy diet to various stakeholders, Aurobindo Pharma Foundation has been financially supporting free meals program of Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation to tackle and end malnutrition, especially among the rural communities and other needy. So far, the foundation has spent around 22 crores on establishing 3 centralized kitchens at Narsingi, Hyderabad, Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh, a recent one at Mahabubnagar, and served 9.5 crore meals to various beneficiaries till March 2022. These 3 kitchens have an average outreach of 1.5 crore meals every year. In February 2022, a full-fledged automated centralized kitchen was established by Aurobindo Pharma Foundation at Crore village in Mahabubnagar district, Telangana, which is a strategic location being relatively backward. This centralized kitchen, spanning 2 acres of land with advanced equipment, can produce 20,000 meals per day and will be operated by Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation. Aurobindo Pharma Foundation provided Rs 6.04 crore under CSR initiative to establish this most modern kitchen. The food produced at this kitchen would be distributed to beneficiaries under various schemes such as asSwasthya Ahara, Annapurna Meals, Midday Meals Program, and to the attendants of inpatients at government hospitals. Around 12,000 students from 150 government schools in and around Mahabubnagar are benefiting from this initiative.
We had met Sri Nityananda Reddy ji, who is the Vice Chairman of Aurobindo Pharma, and Sri Sharat Chandra Reddy ji, who is the Director of Aurobindo Pharma. And we had proposed a small kitchen at Narsingi in Kokapet. Initially, the proposal was for just one hospital feeding, that is Gandhi Hospital feeding. But then when we met Nityananda Reddy ji, he said, Swamiji, let's think big. Let's not just feed one hospital. Let's feed a lot of people. Let's feed all of Hyderabad, all of underprivileged people in Hyderabad. So even though we went with a small proposal and small thinking, Sri Nityananda Reddy ji had a very large thinking and he wanted to create a major impact in the society. So on his own, he said that let's do a centralized kitchen which will be able to feed the entire of Hyderabad. So that's how our association with Aurobindo Pharma started. And I'm delighted to tell you that apart from sponsoring the kitchen at Narsingi, Hyderabad, which feed 50,000 meals, Aurobindo Pharma went on to sponsor even a centralized kitchen at Srikakulam, which feeds 25,000 meals, a centralized kitchen at Mahabubnagar, which can feed 15 to 20,000 meals, and now the 4th kitchen is being established at Perumalpuram near Kakinada, which will be feeding 5,000 beneficiaries.
Aurobindo is very happy to partner through their CSR agenda with Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation and Government of Telangana to minimize nutritional issues of rural communities as a healthcare company.